Stevie. Go ahead, Stevie.
Yes, how you doing? I was trying to wonder how could I get a title to this car. My cousin passed away, and he I don't know what he did with it, but it ain't in the glove compartment or nothing like that. But I got his like death certificate, and I got his he been bought tags for it and everything, and I got the car. And police left me with the car, but I can't do nothing with it.
Well, Stevie, that's a situation where you're going to need to open an estate for your brother. If he had a will, then the vehicle is going to pass as he directed in his will. Otherwise, it'll pass through intestate succession, which is a statutory scheme that's set out in the Florida statutes that presumes the way people would have wanted things. I mean, typically it goes to your spouse or children first, and then parents if they're still alive, and then after that it would start going to siblings and things of that nature. So you're going to need to open an estate in order to establish that. And then if you can't find the title, there are processes to where you can have a new title ordered and things of that nature. The biggest issue right now is having the legal right to transfer that title.
That's really the main issue, because I think you can easily go down to the tax collector's office if you have the legal authority to request a title on a vehicle, and they'll print you up a new title. They'll charge you a fee for it, but they'll print you up a new title and give it to you if you have the legal authority. And the way you typically get that, if it's not you, you either have to have power of attorney,
which you can't have at this point.
Which, if the person passes away, the power of attorney automatically becomes null and void. And so either there's a will where he said, I want Stevie to have my car, in which case that has to go through the probate process, and you'll eventually get it through the court order. Or if there's no will, they're going to start looking, okay, who are the relatives? Was he married? Does he have kids? Is there a wife? Is there children? If not, parents, are they around? If not, siblings, are they around? Like Ted said, there's a statute that dictates who has priority on getting the assets of the decedent. So it's a little bit more complicated. I think getting a physical copy of the title is probably the easiest thing. It's figuring out who's got the legal authority to get it is going to be where the work is put in.
And if you're only dealing with a car and a relatively modest amount of assets, you can do what's called a summary administration, which is a little quicker and a little more seamless. You just need to figure out where it's supposed to go and what if you're dealing with an intestate situation or where there's an actual will.
Yeah.